Hi, it's me once again coming your way in another face to face video. And this means progress because whenever I have a face to face video with you, it means we are starting a new section and I want to set the tone and expectations for this section. And so I want to congratulate you for making it this far and I want to encourage you to keep practicing every day. All right, so in this section, we are going to focus on a technique known as branching using conditionals. And what we will be able to achieve after the lessons in this section is to be able to write programs that takes a set of actions based on a condition, and then if that condition is false, another set of actions can be taken. I remember mentioning this to you when I was teaching you booleans and comparison operators, and I told you that as at that time, booleans didn't seem so interesting. However, in some videos not long to come, you will realize that some functionalities or some constructs in programming are only made possible because of the existence of the Boolean data types and the comparison operators. And that time is now. And so we are going to learn different ways in which we can write program statements such that conditionals are going to be used to determine what happens after a condition. And so we are going to learn something about if statement, if else statement, if else if statement, and everything that we need to know about branching in Python. And I hope you are as excited as I am. So let's take a quick pause and I will see you soon in the next video.